Hello guys, today I've got the MacBook Neo and I'm going to show you how to use the mission control. I know that the name may be slightly, strange to interpret, but it's easy. To open the mission control, you need to just slide on your touchpad. Let me lift my laptop a little bit. You need to slide your fingers on the touchpad like this. As you can see now, we have our mission. Wait a moment. Now, as you can see, we have our mission control enabled. We have no available windows. So, let me quickly open some Safari web browser, for example, phone or FaceTime, etc. And if I now go here, we can see many applications. I know why my camera is now slightly off, but I think you'll be that nice to me and you won't bother it. So as you can see now, it's here. And what we can do here, we can with this plus create a new desktop space, and if we hold our finger on one application and drag it here, we have two windows, as you can see, 1 and 2. We need to use these 3 fingers to use it. And now side to the right, side to the left to move between these 2 desktops. As you can see, it works. I know why it's so zoomed in, but okay, so I fixed all these things and now my laptop isn't that off center. And so let's go back to these normal things. With this plus, we can, as you can see, at the next desktop. And how to delete the second or third desktop? You need to just hover it at first and click this X button. This X button, as you can see, and it's that easy. So apart from that, as you can see, if we use hot corners, we can use hot corners. For example, if we drag our cursor over here easily like this, we can open the applications, as you can see. That's how it works, as you can see. And we can just open any application. If we go here, okay, I love this laptop. If we go here to the left, we can just see, as you can see, the background, our wallpaper. Here, if we drag like this, we can see that we introduce the application that is here. And here we have the quick note. And actually that's all, these are all the things that are here. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.